your relationship grow deeper instead of just kita alam kali itu dia. Ayo kita kita mau. Kalau kita lagi berapa tapi cuma ini. Jadi saya pernah apa kita Jesus, oh yeah, when we have to read it out of it. Oh yeah, young people, when you go back home, when you go back to where you come from, how about the God, how many you go? They together when I read my young people say, the hour I in love. Oh, I go over there, not a bit over. They go to the Papa here, and you know Papa Maria boy, the Palapuan family, I feel like who you have in life, you know, young people. God, cái mang cái cái commitment nhiều more, get more. Tu belong to the God, no. Let's come back to the Lord. Let's come back to and let us sail on the sea of Israel. Kita tak ada pokok. Kalau mereka kata mereka ini yang pokok ini jadi pokok. Kalau mereka itu, kalau kita mahu lah, we kita apa lagi? Kasihnya lebih. Kita that's not an excuse. But I'm saying again to the young people, I hope for each and every one of you that are not going for more of all that. Now, look at what I want to go to that one. Oh, you don't know me. They talk about I'm together both the time in anything. I don't know how to do it. We are young people with so glad and so glad and so mad and all the noise and all this, but remember, I have the outcome to my wife on the week, in my two Korea and love for my I let us sail on the sea of this life.
Gracias.